it's pretty much raining. It's raining the real. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how much it's raining. Can you show that? I'll show you guys. Wait. There's notifications coming. Let me go. Okay, guys.
People would love that.
It's raining. So many. I'm basically in the mountains. Mountains in a car. I don't know where I'm showing you the black things. Tell me in the comments. I just know you're gonna help me. Please don't. If you're gonna hack me, comment that I'm not gonna hack you. I don't care. I'll always live with you guys. Whoa, there's lightning, guys. There's lightning.
Capture that lightning.
Yeah, that mom. It's so cool. Nobody has captured lightning. I don't think so. If you guys have, well, I'm pretty much proud of you guys. Because I think so barely anymore. Nice stuff. Anyway. Even if it's getting too many mods. I grow. There's like 1 million Hydra. Why truck? Never mind. How are you, truck? What's your name? Oh, 01124. Cool name. Gracias. You're getting wet, and I'm also feeling cold. I'm feeling so cold. I pretty much need a blanket. Whoa! What the hell? Oh my god! You say what? Right, it's raining. Whoa! Trick me behind, yeah. Water. Whoa. Don't forget to let me. Oh my god. A lot of teardrops coming. Well, a lot of B and DI characters are here. Like 3. I'm in power up 2 characters. I just teardrop. Teardrop lightning. But I'm on the mountain. Why would a tree be there? Grassy tree. Of course, grass is everywhere. Does water even exist? I don't know. Non-existing is literally everywhere. There. As you can guys see, it's raining. A lot of you guys are like, why? Because I don't even. It's like raining and everyone would know that. It's actually raining in the whole world. Wide world. I mean, nothing can change by seasons and countries. And they all are the same. Look at how wet they're. Look at how I'm getting so wet. I'm getting wet. Guys, I'm feeling very cold.